How to make a Snapchat group chat or create a Snapchat group chat. Alright, hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end because you don't want to miss any part of this video. So now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So let's head over to Snapchat. Okay, and here what you need to do is to simply open, or in the bottom, okay, right in the bottom right here you'll see in the bottom the chat icon, right? And tap on that bubble icon, text bubble icon, and here you'll see in the bottom right corner you see new chat, right? Right over here okay, new chat, it's the blue icon, and now tap on that icon. In here guys, we have a new chat page, and here we can make a group. So now all you need to do is to tab on new group, tab here new group, chat with up to 100 friends. So tap on that, and here we can change our group name where it says group, new group name. You can type here your group name. And two, okay, so here we need to add other members. Third, so we can now go ahead and add people to our group. So on two here, tab on two field, you need to tab names and their username, names of your friends, like this, and just add. You can add more. Okay, right here their username. Okay, as you can see, and I mean this is like added friends. I don't have these people in my friends list, but obviously you need to know like their username and add their username here. So just select like this their username, and now all you need to do is to tab on chat with the group. Okay, you need to add that person to your friend list in order to add them in your group. So first add them to your friend group, okay, like your friend list, and then you can create a group. You can create a group with that person, but you need to have him in your friend list first. Then just tap on chat with group. As you can see here, just Southwest hasn't added you as a friend yet, so you need to add him to have him in your friend list, and then you can create a group. So that's how you create the group. Now just tap after you added your friends, just tap on chat, and now you can chat with your friends. It's very easy. I hope this video provides you with value. If you did, drop a like and subscribe guys for more how-to videos.